Life can get messy. We've all been there. Sometimes it feels like everything is spiraling out of control. You wake up one day and things don't feel right. The weight of the world seems heavier than usual. Maybe you're stuck in a rut, unhappy with work, or relationships feel strained. The daily grind can wear you down. This is your wake-up call. It's a signal that something needs to change. It's the universe telling you it's time for a change. Don't ignore it. Embrace the opportunity to start fresh. Embrace the chance to rebuild and reorganize. Think of it as putting together a new puzzle, piece by piece. You have the power to create a life you love. Plant the seeds of your future today. It all starts with a single step. One small action can lead to monumental changes. Before you race towards a new you, take a moment. Assess where you stand. Take a deep breath and really think about your current situation. What's working in your life? What brings you joy and satisfaction? Identify the aspects that make you feel fulfilled and content. What needs a complete overhaul? What areas are causing you stress or holding you back? Recognize the parts of your life that require significant change. This isn't about dwelling on negativity. It's about honest reflection. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses. Grab a journal and jot down your thoughts. This self-awareness is key. Write down your goals, dreams, and the steps you need to take. It helps you understand what to leave behind and what to bring with you on this exciting journey of self-improvement. Remember, awareness precedes change. Embrace this process and watch yourself grow. Now comes the exciting part: setting goals. Think of it as designing your ideal life. Don't hold back. What are your deepest desires? Write them down. Make them specific and measurable. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and more achievable. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Take action and watch your dreams turn into reality. Section 4. Building your dream life, one habit at a time. Change doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, dedication, and a clear vision of what you want to achieve. It's about building positive habits, step by step. Start small. Begin with manageable tasks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Choose 1 or 2 areas you want to improve. Focus on these areas and set realistic, achievable goals. Maybe it's waking up earlier, eating healthier, or dedicating time for personal growth. Focus on consistency. Consistency is key to forming lasting habits. Even small actions, done repeatedly, lead to remarkable results. Track your progress to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Celebrate your wins along the way. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. This keeps you motivated and reinforces positive change. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your growth and celebrate your successes. Section 5. The mental makeover, shifting your perspective. Fixing your life isn't just about external changes. It's about internal transformation too. Your mindset is everything. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Remember, you become what you think about most. Choose thoughts that empower and motivate you. Section 6. Your transformation starts now. Rebuilding and reorganizing your life is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices every day that align with your vision. Embrace the process. There will be challenges, but don't give up. You are capable of incredible things. Trust yourself, take action, and watch your life transform. Remember, the power to change your life lies within you. Start today.